Flightless birds. Flightless birds are birds that cannot fly. The flightless birds are ostrich, emu, penguin, kiwi, ostrich. They are the largest bird in the world. They are around 9 feet tall and weigh around 150 kgs. They are the fastest running birds in the world. They are found in Africa. They are omnivores. They eat roots, leaves, seeds, insects, and rodents. Emu. It is the second largest bird in the world. They are around 5 feet tall and weigh around 45 kgs. They have long legs and a long neck. They are found in Australia. They are omnivores. They eat seeds, fruits, leaves, and insects. Penguin. They are aquatic birds. They have a black back and a white belly. They have short legs. They can swim in water. They are carnivores. They eat small fishes, squids, and krills. Kiwi. They are small in size. They have a long beak. They are grayish brown in color. They are found in New Zealand. They are omnivores. They eat worms, insects, and fruits. Thank you, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe.